As a home health agency or home care company, you want to be able to create what we call power partners. That's right. Power partners have been around. It's been around for a long time. And other industries have used it and have used that term for so long. It is now starting to trickle into the healthcare industry, into the home health industry, as sales and marketing has increased and we're bringing outside people into our industry. What you do with power partners is this. These are people that actually target the same people you're targeting, yet they offer additional or different services from you. One example is home health marketers may want to work with hospice marketers and liaisons as well. You're approaching the same facility that they are in, so maybe by you working with them in tandem, they can assist you by bringing you in with them to these facilities and making that cold introduction, as may say. From then on, it's up to you. It's your job to be able to warm it up even further for you to be able to generate heat and get these companies, these referral sources, whether the social workers, discharge planners, or physicians. It doesn't matter. To get them to start referring patients to your company. But if you create these power partners, you want to be able to have them help you, but you need to do something in return for them. You need to make sure that you help them as well. That if they get you into one company, you should get them into another company. By you having power partners, you are then able to guarantee yourself that you have more people helping promote your company that is not even paid by your organization. When you create power partners, you don't want to just create power partners in one area. Normally, if I am working a particular state, I will make sure that I have one power partner, in every 5-mile radius. The more, the merrier. Now, listen. The term power partners, I take it very loosely because there are people out there who have resources who targets your companies the same companies that you're targeting, but they may not be even good at what they do. They may have inherited the area. Maybe they don't have any good rapport with the people they're marketing to. They just got that area from another marketer. What I want you to do is not just to look for power partners. I want you to look for power players. That's right. Power players. People that are amazing at what they do, that you can admire, that can help you and teach you to become even better. Do you want to hang around with people who are below you? No. You want people that's going to be able to drive you, people that are going to be able to push you, people that are going to be able to help you generate the leads that you want and you require and you need to make sure that you and your company become successful. One of the biggest questions that I have is this, is that, Michael, how do I create power players? How do I link up with these people? Well, they're everywhere. How are they everywhere? You're probably walking into a facility right next to another one of them, or they're in the same parking lot with you. Introduce yourself. Find out people. I do it on a day-by-day basis. I try to meet people that I never met or known before. I want to make and always open any opportunities that is out there. So if you want to be able to know how to find these power players, go to networking events. You should actually go to one networking event at least once a week. That's a lot, right? One thing you can do is this. Ask people, do they know people in the industry? If you are in this industry, if you are a marketer, if you're a liaison, an administrator, a CEO, you should always be meeting people on a weekly basis. Another great resource is this, LinkedIn, best networking site ever. It's an amazing place to be able to go into. I was able to link with thousands of people in my industry just through LinkedIn. It is a resource that is not used by everyone, but it should be used by everyone, especially in our industry. Because not everybody's using it, this is an advantage for you, and you should actually use it. You should use LinkedIn to be able to get more referral sources. Before I ever enter a nursing home, most of the time I already know who I'm looking for. I already know who's the administrator. I already know who the discharge planner is. I already know who are the charge nurses that may be working there already. I will make sure that I work my ladder in order for me to be able to get in there. You really, really need to make sure that you open up these resources, these new potential referral sources, by getting yourself in touch with power players in the industry. We have an entire chapter that is just relating to networking and how to be able to be successful when you're in networking events. Why do we do this? Because networking events is a vital source for you to be able to create this, for you to be able to find, and for you to be able to generate more leads. Look, good places to look to find good leads are this. There's what we call meetups. You can meetups.com. You can go to Chamber of Commerce. You can go to pretty much every single city of Chambers of Commerce and be a member of it. So if you're in one county, find out all the Chamber of Commerces within each city in that county. You want to be able to attend so many church functions. There's a lot of people in the church that's going to be able to link you with the right people. You want to be able to attend to community-based meetings and town hall meetings. There are so many things that is going on, so many people, so many places that you're going to be able to meet and go to where you can find networking. Your job is to find wherever people are congregating. Also, in addition, look, these networking events, if you can't find one, I want you to be able to learn how to create one. That's right, create one. You know, how amazing is it? You know, you're trying to find all these networking events to go to, right? When you can actually create your own meetup, your own networking event, and bring everybody to you. That's going to be very cost effective. I've done this in the past, and I will share later on through as these videos keep on going. As you watch all these videos of ours, you're going to learn a couple of my big techniques that I've done where I've created big events at a small budget and bring a lot of people within close to me automatically, and I can be the person of value because I created this big meetup, this big networking event. So sometimes, honestly, if you want to become the most important person in the room, you create that particular networking event. You make people come to you.